Hello mighty wanderers! So today it's a food quest. So we are in the 21st century of artificial intelligence. So I am at this restaurant where they have robots as their waiters. Yes, it's in OMAN'S. There's a new restaurant. So that's the restaurant. Roboto. So here's the restaurant. It's a multi-cuisine restaurant. People are eager to know what's in here. Robots.
Excuse me, you're on the highway. Would you please make a room for me? Thank you.
Starry. Feels like we are in some other planet. We are in Earth itself, guys. And we have the owner of the restaurant, Mr. Majid. Hello, sir.
Hi, how are you? First of all, I would like to thank the sancywanderquest for visiting us today.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Actually, this is Roboto restaurant, the first restaurant in the Middle East which work with robots. We are having here 8 robots which can serve you as waiters. And I think it is an initiative and a new idea here in Sultanate of Oman. And I hope you enjoy the restaurant.
Sure, sir, sure. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. It's my pleasure. So you can see the robots all are having name tags on them. So we have a family who just had their dinner. We'll just ask them how was it. So how was the food, sir? How was the ambience?
It was really good, we enjoyed the ambience first and especially the robot and it's something unique, especially in Oman. So my son really enjoyed.
Yeah, the kids will love it. How was it?
Nice.
What's your good name?
Nane.
Nane. How you will be giving the restaurant? How much would you rate the restaurant?
290.
Oh, that went so high, man. Thank you so much, man. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Hello, here is your dish. Please take it away from my tray and touch my hand to let me get back to work. Thank you. Dear guest, your order has been delivered. Hello, here is your dish. Please take it away from my tray and touch my hand to let me get back to work. Thank you. Have a nice meal.
Let's give Roboto a try. So here is the food. So that's fried rice, vegetable fried rice, chicken steak with mashed potato and vegetables. Sian is having pasta with what is that? What is that? Mojito. And what is that? What is the
Raspberry mojito.
And he's having raspberry mojito. Chicken steak is good. The chicken steak is really good. And the mashed potato. Very tasty. Fried rice is also good. So hope you all enjoyed my video. That was a very innovative restaurant, and hope you all loved it. We love the ambience and the food. And if you like my videos, please do like it, comment it, share it, and if you're watching my channel for the first time, please do subscribe it. Until we meet next time, bye bye.